If your electric hot water tank elements keep burning out every couple of months, even when everything seems right, you're probably missing a key fix that can save you time and cash. So, here's the lowdown on what might help with your Giant Cascade 40-gallon, 3,000-watt water heater acting up after just a few months. First off, check if the water quality is messing with your elements. Hard water with minerals can cause buildup inside the tank and on the heating elements, seriously shortening their life. Even with a water softener, those minerals might still be sneaking through. Try flushing your tank regularly to get rid of sediment and mineral deposits, which can cause overheating or element burnout. Also, double-check the thermostat setting. 28 degrees Celsius is cool enough, but make sure it's not faulty or inconsistent. Sometimes thermostat failure means the elements run hotter than they should. Since you've replaced elements and thermostat multiple times, consider installing a sacrificial anode rod if your tank doesn't have one. It helps prevent corrosion inside the tank. Another thing to think about is voltage fluctuations in your home's electrical supply. Unstable voltage can fry elements quickly, so get an electrician to check it out. Lastly, confirm that the replacement parts are truly OEM or high quality, since cheap or wrong parts won't last in tough water conditions. One of the biggest mistakes people make with electric water heaters is ignoring hard water damage. Mineral buildup can wreck elements fast, so regular maintenance like flushing the tank is key. Another common issue is using cheap replacement parts that don't match the original specs. Always insist on OEM or reputable brands to avoid repeated failures. Third, many overlook voltage problems. If your home's electrical system isn't stable or wired correctly for a 3,000-watt heater, elements can blow out prematurely. Fix these by flushing your tank biannually, sticking to high-quality parts, and having a pro check your home's electrical setup. BigHomeProjects.com is great for hooking you up with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff on projects like this, making sure you get work done right the first time. It also helps contractors find homeowners who need reliable service, so everyone wins without the usual hassle.